Welcome guys to this tutorial. Here I will be talking about how you can change the description of your YouTube videos in a bulk. So this will be very useful tutorial for you guys that have many videos. For example, I have almost 800 videos and you want to change some of the descriptions. And by that I mean typically we have some templates where you have some links, so it can be affiliate links, it can be links to social media, Facebook, Pinterest, Twitter, and so on. And maybe you have customized the URL or you have changed it, or in case in affiliate links you want to add new affiliate links. So instead of going one by one, the videos, you can edit them in bulk, which is very useful. And in this tutorial, I will be talking about how you can do this without external plugins or software. So YouTube has this feature on the platform itself. So you'll have to go and find or go to the studio and go to the videos section. So let me demonstrate. So for example, if I go to the description of this video, I will find some stuff that I want to remove. So for example, here I have subscribe, Facebook, Twitter links. So let's say I want to delete the Twitter link. So I will have to copy it, the text that I want to remove, and going back to the studio, if you want to edit all of the videos, so you would need to press here. This will select all of the videos, and you can even press here, all videos are selected. For the sake to make this tutorial a bit faster, I will edit that in just 2 videos instead of all of them. So I would press, in my case, I will just select the 2 videos and then press here on edit and description. Now this will open up, and here you can see what type of editing I want to do. So for example, I can press insert at beginning, insert at end, replace all, or remove. Now for links, I would not recommend to use insert at beginning, because when people search for specific phrase, then I want to see what the video is all about, and that's where you will see this short text. So for example, in this tutorial I'm showing you how to exclude shipping locations on eBay. So instead of having links at the top, I want to show why people need to go to this video and what is this tutorial all about. So typically I would use insert at end if I want to insert some new links, and that's the option I would use. Replace all I would not use, because it will replace the whole text. And then here is remove. So press remove and I will remove this text. So here, if you hover your mouse over the question mark, it will explain more. Now I will press update video, and updating your videos is permanent and cannot be undone. I press OK. This will take a few moments. So if you are making this change for many videos, this might take a while. If you are changing for a few videos, in my case just 2, so you can see that this took several seconds to do. Now if I go to details, this should have deleted the Twitter link. So here you can see subscribe, Facebook, and there is no Twitter link. So that's how I removed it. And then if I do the same edit description, insert at end, and then let's type hello world, and then https google.com. Just an example, I will press edit and update the videos. Again, this will take a few moments. And as you can see, it didn't take a long time. So this is very useful way to bulk edit and save time when doing so, when updating the different links on your videos. So I hope that this tutorial is useful, and see you guys in the next one.